finally.
I don't get problem.
Extensor digitorum.
Everything?
Yeah, yeah, because
All of them,
yes,
the
all.
bundle.
Therefore, they supply to the digits.
Which tendon is passing through here?
All these tendons, 1, 2, 3, 4
This one, is
tendons.
that a nerve root? This is a
They are
tendon.
tendons, yeah. One,
this
two.
one.
So what's
They are
that?
all tendons. All these are tendons.
Extensor, right?
Yeah, the muscle itself. Extensor digitorum.
Extensor what?
Digitorum.
Okay.
Digitorum, because they supply to the
The
digits.
most lateral is what?
There's nothing like all of them.
So who cut it down? Who's cut
Nah,
it
me away. No, all of it's not spoiled. In the picture, there are like 4
Another reference.
connecting to supplying connecting to the digits. Then this one is the capis ulnaris. It's, if you see, it's directly on top of on the ulna.
Okay. Right?
Yes.
Who does that?
Extensor carpal.
Yes, yes. Extensor capis
This is
ulnaris.
him. Show for you.
Okay.
Show for you.
I'm making video, you guys should complete.
Okay. Then this is the extensor capis radialis longus.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good. This is brachioradialis.
Brachioradialis.
Brachioradialis. Okay, let me exit to abduct.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
This is the palmaris longus.
Manus longus.
This is the pronator teres.
pronator.
Another thesis here is crossing over the brachioradialis.
Yes.
Okay.
Then that one.
What is this one? This flexor ulnar.
Flexor
ulnaris.
Flexor. No, flexor ulnaris is at the last edge.
You know,
No, this is teres major.
Pronator teres.
Teres.
Palmaris ulnus. Ay, longus.
This is flexor ulnar. The last one is ulnar. Flexor ulnar. The last one.
Okay, so come and show me brachioradialis.
Then is this one that's forgotten the name. After this, there is pronator teres. What's this muscle here? Look at it. After pronator teres, then this flexor
ulnaris. Is that what you said?
flexor.
Palmaris longus.
Palmaris longus, yeah.
After pronator teres, there's a
teres.
muscle before flexor ulnaris. Flexor carpal ulnaris.
Yeah, it's palmaris longus.
No, after the palmaris longus, laterally, it's called the
Flexor ulnaris.
That's the last one.